Dermaplus, the secret to radiant, beautiful skin. Are you tired of dealing with the signs of aging? Do you wish to have radiant and beautiful skin that looks years younger? Look no further than Dermaplus. In this testimonial, I'll share my personal experience with this incredible product and reveal how it can help you achieve a natural and youthful glow without the need for costly procedures or surgeries. Don't miss out on this opportunity to enhance your appearance and regain your confidence. Unlocking the power of Dermaplus. Dermaplus is a revolutionary skincare solution designed to replenish your skin's moisture, firm its appearance, and restore your natural glow. It's a non-invasive alternative to expensive procedures and surgeries, offering a safe and effective way to achieve younger-looking skin. With its unique formula, Dermaplus works naturally to rejuvenate your complexion and unveil a more youthful version of yourself. The benefits of Dermaplus. Dermaplus offers a multitude of benefits for your skin, including replenishing moisture. Dermaplus deeply moisturizes your skin, combating dryness and leaving it hydrated and supple. Firming the skin. By stimulating collagen production, Dermaplus helps to tighten and firm the skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Restoring natural glow. With regular use, Dermaplus restores your skin's natural radiance, revealing a vibrant and youthful complexion. Dermaplus, my personal experience. As a digital marketing player, I have encountered numerous skincare products claiming to work wonders. However, my experience with Dermaplus has been truly remarkable. Upon using this product, I noticed an immediate improvement in the texture and appearance of my skin. The lightweight formula absorbed quickly and left my skin feeling soft and rejuvenated. Dermaplus really work? Yes, Dermaplus really works wonders for your skin. It's not just a marketing hype, but a product backed by science and customer testimonials. The powerful blend of ingredients in Dermaplus targets the root causes of aging and delivers visible results. Dermaplus is good? Absolutely. Dermaplus is more than just good, it's exceptional. With its natural and effective formulation, it surpasses many other skincare products in the market. The positive feedback and glowing reviews from satisfied users speak volumes about the quality and efficacy of Dermaplus. Dermaplus have a warranty? Yes, Dermaplus comes with a satisfaction guarantee. The manufacturer stands behind the product and offers a warranty to ensure customer satisfaction. If you're not completely happy with your purchase, you can reach out to their customer support team for assistance. Dermaplus worth it? Definitely. Investing in Dermaplus is worth every penny. The results you can achieve with this product far outweigh the cost of expensive procedures and surgeries. With Dermaplus, you can enhance your appearance naturally and achieve long-lasting results. Dermaplus where to buy? To ensure you're getting the original formula of Dermaplus, it's essential to purchase it from the official website. Avoid counterfeit products and unreliable sources by visiting Dermaplus' official website. Remember, this is the only place where you can find the authentic product. Dermaplus for who is? Dermaplus is suitable for anyone who wants to improve the condition of their skin and combat the signs of aging. Whether you're in your 20s or beyond, Dermaplus can help you maintain a youthful and radiant complexion. It's designed to address common concerns such as dryness, loss of firmness, and dullness. Conclusion: take action now. If you desire radiant, beautiful skin that looks years younger, don't miss out on the transformative power of Dermaplus. Take action now, and click the link below to visit the official website here in the description and the first commentary. Remember, Dermaplus is available exclusively in its original formula on the official website. Don't settle for less when it comes to your skincare routine. Start your journey towards youthful and glowing skin with Dermaplus today.